Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I replace this door handle on this BMW 5 Series. So stay tuned. As you can see here, somehow the inner side of this handle is melting and sticky. First, starting by taking off this trim cover here, there are clips all around, so using your plastic pry tool, carefully pry it as you can see here. It's a tight space, so what I did here is I removed the pan of trim first, then going after the clip next. Next, carefully remove this handle cover with your pry tools. As you can see, there's a clip that attached to this cover right here, so just carefully remove it. So there's gonna be two screws right there. There's one right here and one right there. We're gonna use a T30 Torx to remove them. So just go up. So now you don't have to take this whole entire wires off. You could do what I do here. There's a thing right here on the door. Just lean. There's this one and there's this one right here. Just put this door panel against it, push it just like so. So we gotta take this door handle connector off using your pry tool. There's a clip right here. You could lift that up a little bit. Just like that. So now I'm just gonna remove this bolt right here. Two of these bolts. This is a T30 and that's a T20. Same thing with the one down here. So this one is a T30 and that's a T20. Next, we're gonna take this connector off. Just kind of use your pry tool. Pry that open out. See that? There's a clip right here. Out. Now we have this. See, it's all melted, sticky. So we're just gonna replace this with our new one. They both look identical. Same holes right there, same design. Okay, so right here we're just gonna
put this up on like that and into the hole like that, just like so. There you go. Then we're gonna plug back in the power window connector. So now we're gonna put back in the T20 screw. There's one T20 screw up here too. And the T30. Another T30 right here. So we're just gonna tighten up. Good. For this one. Good. Okay, we're gonna switch it to the T30. We're gonna tighten up. We're gonna check our handle. It's sturdy, it's good. We're gonna put back the door handle right here. Door handle connector. Make sure this door handle goes in like that first. And then we're just gonna put this down and that way, and then down, and then down. That's it. It's working. Double check everything's connected. Connect. So make sure this one goes up like that. So put this in first like this. Okay. Put this in. And then down like that. And then we're gonna make sure that the holes in there line up. All these holes line up. And just tap it in. Good. Then we're gonna put back our screw right here. One goes in there and one goes in here. Using a T30. That's it. We're gonna put this cover back. Just like so. Let me see. There's a clip. See the clip? Good. So now We put back the trim. Get back up. So this one goes in like that, and just make sure all the tabs there line up. That's it, we're done with our door. Here's the old one. There's the new one. Trash.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and it has helped you replace your door handle on this 5 Series BMW. Make sure to check my other videos here for more do-it-yourself. Thanks for watching.